what is the potential of our local beef breeders, for example, Zebu or Boran? Would it be profitable to keep them on intensive production systems? There are so many different systems that you can do your dairy or your beef production. Our Borans are super in beef, super. You talk about Zebus and Borans, they are super. Only that, just know, for them to give you the results, support them by providing the raw materials that will turn them into giant meat producers that they are. Don't just leave them out there. When you provide grass, you have done a good job. If you allow them to go and feed on that grass by themselves, allow them to feed on the grass that is at least 7 inches and above, so that they can quickly pull at the grass and grab enough so that they take less time consuming and spend quite some time chewing cud and building the meat that you want them to build. But the best way to do your Borans and your Borans and Zebus, please, instead of releasing them out there, you go send a worker to go and cut the grass that is available using a sickle. Bring that, heap it somewhere, and let the cows just grab and swallow, so that between 40 and 60 minutes, they will have filled their tummies. So they will spend most of the time lying down, chewing cud, and going to drink water. Then they go lying down, chewing cud, drink water, lying down, chewing cud, and you will be surprised at the weight gain that you will see on your very own animals.